Your email address plays a major role in keeping your Roblox account secure, recovering passwords, and receiving important account notifications. When email-related features stop working, you may run into problems verifying your account, receiving messages, or updating account information. So it's good to see how to fix email on Roblox app. First thing you have to do is to go to Roblox. You will enter to Roblox app. Then here in this page, as you see here in this page, you will go to above, and here in this window you will search about your settings. So you will tap on settings. After that, you will find here account information. You will enter to your account information, and then here in this page you will find email. So you will tap on add email, and then you can add your email, and you will click here, then you will click add email, and you can verify it and it will work with you. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press that bell icon and subscribe. See you